How to enable or disable Google Keyboard or Gboard auto correction on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, we scroll down and then tap on keyboard list and default. Now from here, go down and tap on Gboard, then tap on text correction. From here, go down to the corrections section and tap on auto correction. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Okay, so when we turn it on, the phone will correct words while typing. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.